Behind the simple headline, Additive Manufacturing of Silica Aerogels, the article was published on July 20 in the scientific journal Nature. A groundbreaking development is hidden. Silica aerogels are light, porous foams that provide excellent thermal insulation. In practice, they are also known for their brittle behavior, which is why they are usually reinforced with fibres or with organic or biopolymers for large-scale applications. Due to their brittle fracture behavior, it is also not possible to saw or mill small pieces out of a larger aerogel block. Directly solidifying the gel in miniaturized molds is also not reliably, which results in high scrap rates. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you new tech videos. Thank you.